For too many organizations, procurement is just plain hard and stressful. Procurement teams worry about compliance, visibility, and control over spending. Buyers find it difficult to find and buy the things they need from the right supplier at the right price. Everyone struggles with time-consuming manual processes or inelegant software that simply isn't designed to make procurement easy. It doesn't have to be this way. Unimarket's intuitive procurement software makes it easy to find and buy the products and services you need, easy to automate approval and creation of purchase orders, easy to receive, match, and pay supplier invoices, and easy to have full visibility into your spending. With your preferred suppliers all together in one integrated marketplace, it's a breeze to search for items across all your suppliers, or go straight to a specific supplier catalog for a specific item. Either way, you always know you're buying from your preferred suppliers at your negotiated prices. With just a few clicks, everything's in your shopping cart and you're ready to check out. Choose to pay on account or pay securely with a card. Unimarket is easy for anyone to use because it works just like any other online shopping experience. Automated approval workflows are tailored to your requirements, reducing risk and improving compliance. You never have to worry whether purchases have been signed off by the right people. Approved orders go directly to your suppliers. Once your order is fulfilled, suppliers invoice electronically through the platform. With automated matching of invoices with orders, most invoices are automatically approved for payment. You only have to manage exceptions, saving time and money. With spend going through a single platform and built-in reporting and analysis tools that give you visibility into your organization's spend, you have the information you need to make better decisions, leverage your buying power, and drive savings. Unimarket offers a simpler path to procurement, so your people spend less time on procurement and more time on what they do best. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. With Unimarket, you'll get procurement done right.